Meaning of intensive care unit.
Intensive care unit.
Intensive care unit.
Intensive care unit.
Intensive care unit. An intensive care unit, ICU, is a specialized department in a hospital that provides care to patients who are critically ill or have suffered a severe injury. It is staffed with highly trained healthcare professionals who are skilled in monitoring and treating the most complex medical and surgical conditions. Patients in the ICU require close monitoring and specialized care, such as mechanical ventilation, hemodynamic support, and continuous dialysis. The goal of ICU care is to stabilize the patient's condition and prevent further deterioration, while also providing comfort and support to both the patient and their family.